I think it may be a difficult part for learners when they come up to all consonant series, like consonant G and consonant K. When we pronounce them with vowels, you know what? The vowels change to the second sound. So I'm gonna show you how to pronounce consonant G with the vowels. Let's see the difference. G, ear, kia. G, I, ki. G, I, ki. G, ư, cư. G, ư, cư. G, u, cu. G, u, cu. G, ua, cua. G, ơ, cơ. G, ưa, cưa. G, ia, kia. G, ê, kê. G, e, kè. G, ấy, cây. G, ô, cô. G, ơ, câu. G, ôm, cùng. G, ôm, cùng. G, oám, quam. G, e, ke. G, u, cu. G, e, ke. G, ua, cua. Did you see the difference? Then let's move to consonant K, pronounced with the vowels. K, ear, kia. K, I, ki. K, I, ki. K, ư, khư. K, ư, khư. K, u, khu. K, u, khu. K, ua, khua. K, ơ, khơ. K, ưa, khưa. K, ia, kia. K, ê, kê. K, care, key, ko, ko, không, không, khoan, khoe, khe, khu, khu, khe, khe, khua, khua. I hope you see the difference when we pronounce them with all consonant series. So the vowels change to the second sounds. Let's get some words. Consonant go, as in word. Go, go, go. Go is a cow. Cua, 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 cua. To knock the door. Cua. To knock the door. The next word. Cơ kỳ. Cơ. Cơ ý. Kỳ nâng rỡ kỳ. Cơ kỳ is a name of a tree used for construction. Cơ kỳ. Consonant ko, as in word. Khu, khu. Khu, khu nâng rỡ khu. Do you see this mark? It's called Sanya Leito. Is a mark that indicates the repetition of the previous words. So we have to read it 2 times. Khu, khu is a sound of snoring. When the people sleep and you hear the sound from the people, we call that sound is khu, khu. Is a sound of snoring. The next word is khô khâu. Khô nâng rỡ khô. Khâu. Khô khâu means cruel, like killing the people or treat the people in a bad way. Because someone that treat the people in a bad way or kill the people is khô khâu. Khô khâu. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.